Hello and welcome to another day of 12 Days of Christmas in July. I had so much fun yesterday creating those simple note cards that I thought I would share with you another simple project that you can whip up really quick, and it is a gift tags set that uses the same principles as the cards that we looked at yesterday. So I have these cute little tags and these larger tags as well. And they all come from a 12 by 12 sheet, again from Pebbles. This is from the same suite, the Merry Little Christmas suite. And this one is called Just For You. So it comes with, of course, it was twice as big because it had all of this stuff on it. So it would come with 12 of these tags and 24 of the smaller tags. And they're super simple to put together. So let me do that for you. All right, now that I have everything cut out, it's just a matter of adhering all these together. So I'm using the same colors from the American Crafts 12 by 12 paper stack, and I've got everything cut out. These are just slightly larger, so these I think end up being about 2 7/8 by 3 7/8, which is kind of a crazy number, but these tags are just slightly smaller than what they need to be to make it an even number. But it works out pretty well, and then I'm just going to glue these on and then snip the edges here. And then the same thing with these guys. They'll go right on here, and then I'll just snip out a little flag end and then punch some holes. Hey, so check it out. Another whirlwind project that you can complete in 10 minutes or less that will leave you ready for the holidays and decorating and putting together all of your packages. This is a great job for kids. Just give them some kid-friendly scissors and the 12 by 12 sheet and ask them to cut out all those little pieces, and then hand them some glue sticks or some liquid glue and just have them glue on everything together, and you'll keep them busy for perhaps even an hour. I really hope you love this quick project and that it helps you to get ready for the holidays well in advance of December. Thanks for joining me for another 12 days project, and I'll see you again soon. But until next time, happy crafting.